Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for humans. First, select your bones. About 2 to 3 pounds of beef, chicken, or fish bones work wonderfully. Next, gather your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions to enhance the flavor profile. Don't forget 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It helps draw out valuable minerals. Finally, ensure you have enough water to cover all ingredients by approximately 1 inch. To begin, consider roasting your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This step significantly deepens the broth's flavor. Once roasted, transfer all your ingredients into a large stock pot or a slow cooker. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. During the initial 60 minutes, remember to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. The key to a rich bone broth is a long, slow simmer. For chicken bones, aim for 12 to 24 hours of simmering. If you're using beef bones, a longer period of 24 to 48 hours is ideal for maximum nutrient extraction. Maintain a very low heat throughout this process. Once the simmering is complete, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids, leaving you with a clear liquid. After straining, let your delicious bone broth cool completely before storing. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze the broth in smaller, convenient portions. It will last beautifully for up to 6 months. This versatile liquid can be enjoyed as a warm, nourishing drink on its own or incorporated into various recipes like soups, stews, and sauces. Enjoy your homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.